go to the rainforest.
Yes.
The rainforest.
Rainforest.
The tall trees.
Tall trees.
Rain. Animals.
Animals.
And in the rainforest, we have a couple animals. We have the cuscus.
Cuscus.
It's like
Cuscus.
it's like a monkey.
Monkey.
The cuscus.
It's like a monkey. So because there are no monkeys in Australia. Okay. What does the cuscus do you think? Other than cussing people out, but
Nice.
does it fly?
Swing.
Swing. Great. It's like a monkey. Swing. Good. There's also the fruit dove. What's a fruit dove?
Fruit dove.
It's
a bird.
A bird. Does it crawl or does it fly?
Fly.
Right.
Fly.
Next, there's an echidna.
Echidna.
And you don't want to pick up an echidna because it's really it's prickly, you know.
Echidna.
Yeah, echidna. Okay. And does the echidna fly or crawl? Crawl. So we're gonna crawl. Okay. We're gonna crawl like an echidna. After we have the
Koala. Oh, the koala is so cute.
Koala. Ooh, so cute.
Koalas, the climb.
Oh, the koalas climb. Good, Ben. Good. Forgot about that. So we have our fruit dove, our cuscus, our koala.
Rat kangaroo.
The rat kangaroo.
The rat kangaroo.
So what does a rat kangaroo do? Do you think it crawls or jumps?
Jump.
Good, Ali.
So rat kangaroo.
Okay. And in this rainforest, we're trying to protect it. So there's a boy and a girl. And they whisper. They whisper. Okay, here we go. So I sing and then you sing. Ready?
Okay.
Let's go to the rainforest.
Let's go to the rainforest
And jump like a rat kangaroo.
and jump like a rat kangaroo.
Let's go to the rainforest and jump like a rat kangaroo.
Let's go to the rainforest and jump like a rat kangaroo.
Good. Okay, now we'll sing together and we're going to do the koala.
Koala.
Okay? Let's go to the rainforest and climb like koalas do. Let's go to the rainforest and climb like koalas do. Yay. Let's be echidnas. We're going to crawl. Okay? Let's go to the rainforest and crawl like echidnas do. Let's go to the rainforest and crawl like echidnas do. Great. Okay. Let's
Fruit dove.
be fruit doves.
Fruit dove.
And fruit doves fly. Good. Okay. Let's go to the rainforest and fly like
the fruit doves do.
Let's go to the rainforest and fly like the fruit doves do. Good. Next we did the echidna, the fruit dove,
Cuscus.
Good job, Denise. Good. Okay. Let's go to the rainforest and swing like the cuscus do. Let's go to the rainforest and swing like the cuscus do. Good. And the last is boy and girl. And they whisper. Okay, so we're going to do it really quiet.
Okay.
Let's go to the rainforest and whisper like the boy and girl. Let's go to the rainforest and whisper like the boy and girl. Bye.
Bye.